This Grand Design toy hauler is pretty cool. Not only does it have a patio that goes outside, but it also has a Murphy bed. And we're gonna check it out. So starting off with this patio, imagine yourself in the mountains or by a creek, by a lake, I don't know, and enjoying this patio with a couple of chairs. There's a grill out here. And
is that for me?
Yeah, it's for you. Come on in.
Ooh, I like it.
I want you to really check this out. So this is a toy hauler. Of course, you can haul your toys here and strap them in. You have these tie downs and you'll find them all throughout the RV. Now,
this is different. It doesn't have a drop down bed.
It doesn't have a drop down bed. No, so you have all the ceiling height. And usually you'll have ceiling height of like here. And if you're taller, you might have to duck down, but not here. Now you might be wondering where are the doors, where is the screen? It is cool. Right here. All you have to do is just pull this down all the way down and it keeps the mosquitoes away.
That is nice. You have the patio open, keep the mosquitoes away. You do have this nifty little light right over here. And it's ready for a backup camera, by the way. So that's kind of cool.
Coming into the garage, there is a ramp. And I actually set this, believe it or not, the patio, the garage down. I put everything up myself. Mark didn't even help me. Not one bit.
I don't need to help you. You're strong. Oh, what is that?
This is a Murphy bed. You'll see these hooks here. They are perfect for when you're having the bed up and you just need a place to put your coat.
Who thought of a Murphy bed? It's a guy named Murphy?
I don't know, actually.
Like that's a very... Murphy's name is mentioned quite a lot in the world.
When you're going to bed, you just simply, effortlessly, just unlock it, put it down, and there is your bed. It's a queen size bed, and they even put in a cute little headboard for you.
So that was fast.
Done, yeah.
It's either that or she had a protein shake this morning. It's one of the two.
When you're done, you just stow it up. You can definitely put these legs down if you need to. Just unlock them, put them down.
I mean, good place to hang stuff.
Yes, you can hang more clothes if you want. I don't know, but this is where you would hang your hangables. Sorry, this is a sheet for the mattress
Oh, nice.
that we're gonna put over here.
Oh, so we can move it back later.
Okay. Now, on here you'll see this little
clothes rack, they call it.
Clothes rack. Hang your hangables, socks, underwear.
Oh my goodness, guys!
Open cubby down here with
place for an espresso machine.
You would.
Yeah, you wake up, you make a decaf always.
Decaf? What's the point of coffee?
The flavor, not the caffeine.
So we have our ports here, USB-C, USB ports, and an outlet to put in whatever you want.
It's not very wide. I mean, look at it. It's not very big at all. So you could definitely put a couple of motorcycles in here. Maybe even a Mini Cooper if you wanted. I don't know who drives those nowadays.
Okay, closet number 2 and a USB port here. This is the controller for your speakers.
Which are Rockford Fosgate, by the way.
Yes.
If anybody wants to know.
Open cubby down here as well with those ports and outlet.
Great for CPAP machines too, you know?
Yeah, and if you're traveling solo or as a couple, you don't need much. You know, if you're doing a weekend getaway or like a racetrack day or something, I don't know, just, you don't need much. Window ports up here in case you wanted to charge phones. Additional space up here, which makes it nice and convenient.
Where would you watch TV?
Yeah, so that you have 2 options. In case you didn't want this wall, you have that wall as well.
I do like multiple options.
Chairs, these actually swivel around and they move around. So you can definitely move them if you want to. They're fairly comfortable and I don't think I want to get up.
Wouldn't you crash or they move around while you move?
So they actually strap down. Glad you asked. They strap down and that way they're actually nice and secured.
Oh, look at that. That's kind of nifty. So you could probably you don't even need to buy lawn chairs. You just put these bad boys right on your patio.
And they recline.
Oh,
yeah,
man.
you can definitely recline on your
fancy
patio.
Stuff. You can't be getting those cheap lawn chairs.
No, they have them right here and you buy the chairs, you get the RV for free. On this wall, on this area here, these are dangerously comfortable and I just did something dangerous because they're so comfortable. They're cushiony. They are not like a rock hard couch.
All right, guys, I'm going to sit here for you and let you know what it feels like.
I'm telling you.
It's very bouncy.
Is that the bounce test?
That is the bounce test. So as you guys have felt through me, those are pretty soft.
window for that nice. Notice we don't even have lights in here, guys. We don't have lights. This is
What?
all natural light that's coming in.
Man, that's the coolest
Isn't
thing
that
I've heard all
shocking?
day.
I'm in for that. This is where you can eat, you can work from. Cabinets up here as well.
A good place to play some board games or something.
You could do that for sure.
Actually, I guess you'd have to put your clothes if you have too much clothes.
If you have too much clothes or you have,
I'm gonna have a lot of leather jackets if I'm gonna have a motorcycle.
they would go in the closet. You don't want to fold them up.
Okay. That's what I have a wife for.
USB-C, USB ports here on either side. Those are pretty tall, so you would have to have a cable hanging from them. So pretty interesting. There is an outlet on that wall as well. This all comes off, and of course you can strap those in. As you can see, those straps holds up the couches up. Another outlet over there in that back wall. Now we're gonna go into the kitchen. Nice Furrion fridge here. It's not gonna be a full-size residential fridge, but
It's not a baby one either.
it's not a baby one either. So it's kind of like in the middle. Look at that space for your freezer stuff.
Oh man, that's at least 10 boxes of pizza.
Storage, this goes all the way to the back wall. You must check it out.
Got a lot of stuff in there.
All right, are you comfortable there, cameraman?
It's very tight, but
It's
I've been
it's
in
a little
worse.
tight, but you just have to go into the bathroom.
I've been in way worse situations than this.
This is great. I love the storage for plates, cups, again, with the drawers.
And that cool window, man. I'm glad they added that window and the size that they did.
This is fantastic.
They could have done a baby window.
No. This is like perfect. Not only do you get that natural sunlight in, but again, it feels bigger with that window here. And you can kind of see what's happening out there. Like, oh, what's Sally doing out there?
Who's Sally?
I don't know.
What is she doing?
3-burner stovetop. We also, I was gonna reach over for the oven, but I'm like, there is no oven. They actually put in
Microwave.
a microwave here. Fan here, that is your light and fan when you're cooking.
And more storage, jeez.
So this one's gonna be a little more shallow. You're not gonna be able to put much up here, like as far as big bulky items, but you can definitely utilize that. They have that too. It's not just a wall. A lot of the times it's just a wall and they give you no cabinets.
I mean, if you think about it, they actually have a decent amount of counter space. So if you are cooking something, you need to
And
do a
this
cutting
right here.
board. Yeah, so
This is,
it's actually plenty.
yeah, we have,
Plenty, more than enough, especially for how small this thing is.
Here. you can definitely look.
It's only
check this
30
out.
feet, guys. This is one of the smallest toy haulers you can find.
Yeah, 30 feet. It packs a punch. It really does. Cooking place here, place to wash your dishes. Matte black finishings on the hardware all throughout. Underneath, trash can go here. And additional cute little drawers here.
It's like a junk drawer. That's where I put all my junk.
Or you could just even put it here.
Well, it's too
More
big.
junk.
It's too big.
Oh, you want a smaller?
Got a lot
Okay.
of AAA batteries that are half working. They gotta go somewhere. Never use them.
Yeah. A fan up top, as well as a fan over here. So you're double fanning it.
I love to double fan it. It's my favorite fanning.
In the shower, we have a walk-in shower. This is a good size shower with lots of headspace. You have a wand here for showering.
That is true. If you guys look at her, she is very, very tall.
I am not tall. I'm only 5'5", but look, I can
Right.
just,
5'5".
it's great.
That's good.
for a 6-foot person.
Yeah,
They would
that'll
fit
be-
easily.
And if you're 7 feet, you put your head into the skylight.
Medicine cabinet here. Look at this space here. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. We have our sink, faucet, outlet, lots of space for our vanity, and even a drawer.
No, it's not bad. I mean, you fill it up with toilet paper. That's really all you need.
Open shelving right there. I love that because now it's easy reach. On this wall, you will find that we have additional storage. Paper towels, toilet paper,
Probably where you put your normal towel.
normal towels versus
Normal
what towels?
Paper towels.
Oh,
You're not gonna, after a shower, use paper towels.
of course, this is where you do your business. So lots of leg space, plenty of it. Your knees are not gonna touch the shower.
Yeah, look at that. We're good.
We're good.
Look at that.
And if you're wondering, where is the door? Glad you asked, because it is right over here.
It's a pretty
Boom.
cool unit. By the way, this thing is pretty well done for seasons. It's got a lot of insulation on the floor, on the wall, so
It's
I
a grand design, so they've definitely thought about if you're gonna be in the cold and the heat, they've got you covered.
you also
And
got 2 AC units, by the way.
yes, there's AC unit over here, AC unit over there. It's just a couple of fans over there. Before we go outside, we're gonna check out some specs. Now, the exterior height of this is going to be 12 feet. The exterior length is just under 30 feet. Freshwater capacity is at 90 gallons, which is pretty impressive. Gray is at 74 gallons and black is at 37. We have a tankless water heater. The dry weight is going to be at 6,580. Gross weight is at 11,000 and it has solar on board. All right, let's go check out the exterior. Coming out, this RV looks pretty darn sharp, I will say. Black and white. We also have this little M for momentum.
Oh,
this
dang.
is cool. It's kind of like a clawed
I thought it was
M.
Monster Energy drink sponsoring.
No, you can't. No, it's not that.
Okay, it's not that. Well, that's what I thought it was.
All right, so we have this M here. We have our Rockford Fosgate speakers on top. This way, you're able to get those beats bumping.
Annoy your neighbors.
Yeah. Nice large awning with a LED light. Our front here with our 2 propane tanks.
Oh, and electric power lift, guys.
Heck yeah.
It's my happy
You're gonna
place.
see a lot of those on the newer models, and
As
that makes
strong
life,
as I am, I can't be lifting stuff.
no, that makes life so much easier. You're not gonna have a lot of outdoor storage.
I mean, that's what the garage is for, right?
Yep, absolutely. Battery disconnect in there, as well as you are gonna be able to connect your sewer
There it
water
is.
here. Oh, and solar disconnect, I should say, as well, because we have solar on top.
Oh, there's a storage. Look at
There's your outdoor storage. It's not too bad.
that. I mean, that's probably where you're going to keep your maybe chucks, maybe your black tank hose, maybe your water hose, because you need a place to put it, and you don't want to put it out inside. Have some gloves and stuff.
Well, I mean, I
you
would
don't wanna
put
bring
a
the-
toolbox in here too.
Well, you don't want to bring the black tank hose inside.
You don't want to put it in there either.
Well, where are you going to put it?
Well, let's check it out. Okay, so we have this here, which is the connections, our jacks, black rims,
Yeah, look at that. Black rims. Of course, you got a suspension there and everything. Everything you need, you know?
everything you need. And of course, your ladder to access that solar.
You know?
Okay, I was thinking about that black tank hose, and honestly, I would put it in a bin and have it in the garage. Or you could definitely put it out. Just saying. You have options.
Actually, right here. Here it is.
Aha, I knew it.
There it is. They have one. See?
See,
See, we had a marital fight because of you guys, but we resolved it. Grand Design fixed our marriage. There is a place to put the black tank hose underneath, guys.
that's exactly what I thought. That's exactly what I thought.
Look at
I thought there would be the hose thing.
Yeah, you open it up and you stick the hose in there. We're good. Cool.
And we're back at the patio, which, by the way, is so easy to climb up on.
Dang.
And
Let me try. I
yeah,
did it
try
too.
it. There you go. So that is cool. The coolest thing of all, though, is that if you buy this through Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits, and exclusive Loves discounts. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. This is perfect for someone that wants adventure and just wants to go out there. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.